I have happy mail from cloth and paper. I am so excited about this particular happy mail because I have been looking for ways to customize my own planner and also have the most minimum amount of pre-deco on anything that I purchase so that I can customize it myself. And I found that in this particular purchase. And so let's go ahead and crack this open. I'm so excited. It is my first cloth and paper purchase. It took a while, but I finally did it, and I'm glad that I did. So we get this lovely little thank you note on the back here. It gives us information as well as to their Instagram page and where we can go if we have questions or any additional concerns in case you have any concerns with your order, as well as they give you a nice next order coupon code. So I won't show you guys that, but very nice card. I love that you can remove her stickers without totally ruining the wrapping. Pretty cool. Okay, so I got 3 items here. I got a cloth and paper, a weekly insert, undated. And like I said, I'm moving more in towards the planning system where I can customize it. If I miss a day or miss a week, it's okay. I could just pick up where I started from. So I really do like that. So this particular item is called the Undated Vertical Weekly Edition, half letter size. So I have that cover, planner cover from Notique for half letter size, and I wanted to get some inserts that I could put in that so I could customize my half letter planner, because I really have not been finding half letter size products that I wanted, and just to start me off so that I can move forward in creating and customizing my planner. So let's open this up. Okay, so I really like this format. I've seen a couple of planner babes use it, and it's a totally different style. It does remind me of the Print Passion vertical planner, where it's a week on 2 pages. But I like this style of the vertical boxes because to me it just gives you a lot of variation in how you could decorative plan and just how you plan in general. It also reminds me of a dashboard style kind of planning where you could just see your full week at one time, and then if you wanted to go day by day, you could do that as well. So I do like this. So this is the front, and then here's the first full week. And I do like that it gives you priority and notes section there in additional space. So you get 14 full weeks, 14 and a half if you include the back sheet on the last page. So 14 weeks of planning that you can do in this insert. So I really like it. I love that it's minimum. So yeah, I cannot wait to use this, and 14 weeks gives me plenty of time to figure out if this particular layout will be one that works for me. So I'm excited about that. The next items that I decided to get, I was really excited when I saw this. These are called the Glass Plastic Happy Planner Classic Notebook Agenda Cover. And this one is the half letter size, which I'm really excited about. And so I plan to use these in my agenda cover from Notique. And here is a classic. This is actually Teresa Collins' journal, but I wanted to see how the cover would fit on top of the classic planner. Sorry for the glare. Okay, let's see. Very nice. I like this a lot. And this will allow me to be able to customize my planners very easily. So I look forward to this, and I'm glad that I discovered this. I just so happened to see this in one of their Instagram posts, and I was like, wait, that's a clear cover. So there is a DIY version of this, but I was not in the mood to do a DIY version of this. So I really like this a lot. Happy, 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 very happy, very excited. And so that is my purchase from, so I can't wait to utilize this as well. So that is my purchase from Cloth and Paper. So excited. I'm excited, okay? So that's all I have for this unboxing featuring Cloth and Paper. I am so excited about these finds because they will truly allow me to customize my planners according to my needs, and I can use them in any agenda cover, but especially my Notique covers. So I'm excited to show you the finalized setup of that coming up shortly. Please do not forget to check out both of these websites, Notique as well as Cloth and Paper, and feel free to use the discount codes that I have so that you can save on your purchases, okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so whenever I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you for joining me. Until the next time, bye-bye.